Well, y'all, I've tried to make a couple of videos today, me doing this, and I don't even know how well they've turned out yet. But I'm going to try to do some more on this thing. I don't really know what I'm doing, but I'm trying to figure it out. Worst case scenario, I'll sand it all off and start again. The only thing is, this maple cap on this thing is a real thin veneer, so I got to be careful. I don't want to sand through it. Okay. I'm going to try to put a little more of this purple around the edges and darken them up and try to blend it in with some alcohol. I don't know if it'll work or not, but we're going to try it. Doesn't take much. That's kind of what I'm looking for. I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but this little ding over here I've been messing with. I'm still not done with that. I think I'll end up trying to put some of this dye into clear and drop filling it when I start clear lacquering this. And I still got a little gap there, and that glue is just not covering. Probably should be using rags instead of paper towels too. This is all a learning experience for me. I have diluted this purple dye with some alcohol too. I think you guys get the gist of what I'm doing here. What do you think? You think it's coming along? I may do a light sanding on this before I put any more on it. I don't know yet. I'm thinking about blending some blue and some pink in here, some light rose. Bring out more of the pinks in this purple. Well, guess that's all I'll show you for right now, because I really don't know where I'm going next. I'll have to figure it out. I know I made several videos. I don't know if I'm going to show any of them to you or not. It's kind of a clusterfuck. Oh, excuse my language. Kind of a mess. But we'll see what happens and see how this thing turns out. Take care.